Hey everybody, Matt here, Big Red Liquors, and today I'm going to take a look at this new single barrel that we just got in, which is Clyde May's from, it looks like Conaque, but it's actually, I think, pronounced Coneca. I believe that's right. This is Clyde May's 6-year single barrel straight bourbon whiskey, 102 proof. And they screwed up our name on the label. It says Big Red's Liquor, so I guess you can call that a collector's item, but this is our single barrel. So anyway, I'm going to open this up and give it a whirl. You know what I like about this? So I looked on the barrel actually, and they didn't pull like the MGP mash bill tag, so it's pretty easy to find out where it's from. But this is the 25% rye MGP mash bill. So actually 21% rye, 4% barley, 75% corn. It's traditional MGP, low rye, though rather high rye mash bill. So you're always going to get a nice sort of spicy component to the nose. This one is no exception. At 6 years old, this is a good age for MGP. You know, it really, like once it ticks over 4 years, something happens and it really starts to have a nice depth and maturity to it. It balances out. It gets, just enough oak to balance the fruit and the spiciness of the rye, and that's where this is at. So then it's just a matter of like, where is the sweet spot? Anything past, 9, 10 years to me starts to get a little over oaked for such a high rye recipe. So 6 years, that's right in the middle. 102 proof, that's a great proof. My personal feeling is somewhere between 101 proof Wild Turkey and 107 proof Weller Antique. That's the perfect proof for bourbon whiskey. So 102, no complaints. I think it's a great proof to put this at, and 6 years, can't knock it. So then it comes down to, what is the price point? Is it a fair price point? The reason we bought this is that it's a very fair price point. It's $49.99. So talking about $50, you're talking about 102 proof, and you're talking about single barrel 6-year MGP. I don't think that, to me that ticks all of the boxes for give it a try. All right, so like I said, nice integrated oak and fruit on the nose, touch of spice. Let's take a sip. Super soft. I just took a big swig. That's why I'm coughing. Really soft mid palate. There's almost kind of like a apple pie, a sort of a malty kind of bread pie crust flavor mixed with fruit. Spice more towards like the tip of the tongue, and then the finish has got that really like soft leather note, some fresh cut oak. This is bright. This is you're not going to want ice in this. Even at 102 proof, it is just like too easy and delicious to drink. Yeah, I'd call this a sleeper hit. I don't know how much longer they have, a endless stock of 6-year that they can do a single barrel, but I would definitely pick this one up. It's worth adding to the collection. It's definitely like in that daily drinker category, but like daily drinker plus in terms of quality. And I think for $50 you can't beat the price. So this is in stores now. It's in our Barrel Select stores. So I'd go out and grab a bottle while it's still there. Take a look at the color. There's my my Nashville barrel glass. We're working on bringing one of those picks in. So that is what we've got going on today. Hope everybody has a great day. Cheers.